Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at this NexTool multifunctional knife, or Swiss knife as we usually call it. This is actually a present from my brother James for Christmas, and the unboxing is a little bit overdue. So it comes in this box. It's a small one, and it says here the model NE20099, and it's the blue variant. So we got here some specs. So we have here the dimensions, materials, and place of manufacture, which is of course China. And then we have here a QR code, which will probably lead you to our Chinese website. So we won't go through that. And I think that's it. So let's just open this. So we have here desiccant, a user manual, so it's all in Chinese. Oh yeah, there's an English version, so it lists all the tools available in this tool. Knife, cut rope hook, crowbar, can opener, mobile phone support, Phillips screwdriver, file, bottle openers, scissors, SIM card pin, and lanyard hole. And it's also a locking tool. And I think that's it. So here's the tool. It's got blue ABS scales, and then it's got this black cover here, which is mismatched, and that's a little bit sad. It's held together by these Torx screws, and it's got a locking mechanism here. So here we have the lanyard loop, and it can't be hidden away. And then here we have the SIM tray ejection tool, so it can come in useful for other tasks as well, I suppose. And let's look at the inner tools here. So we have the gut hook or rope cutter, and then we have the, supposedly this is a smartphone holder, but I wouldn't let my phone touch this one. It's prone to scratching the phone. It's not very sharp, this one. Then to unlock this, you just pull, and then. So next up we have a can opener and a bottle opener combo, and we have a screwdriver here, flat head. And I suppose this is a wire bender. And then we have a file with a Phillips head screwdriver. So there have two sides, cross hatch and single cut. We have a pair of scissors, so it's a little bit stubby, but I suppose it's good enough for nipping stuff. Not for heavy duty stuff, definitely. Kind of reminds me of the Gerber Suspension NXT's scissors. So to close, you need to open it and then slide it back in. And then finally we have this knife. It's a little bit sharp, but there's no point, so this for safety, I suppose, so that you won't be stabbing yourself or anyone for that matter. But this one is usable enough, I guess, for cutting, so crafting and stuff. It's a small tool, a little bit thick, but I think it's pocketable enough. Let me just compare it to so here it is compared to my PowerPoint, and they're actually similar in terms of height and width, but it's a little bit thicker. So you have bigger tools here. The tools here are rather small, but then you get pliers here, so I guess it depends on what your needs are. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the NexTool multifunctional knife. So it is small and pocketable, but not quite as small and pocketable as some Victorinox Swiss Army knives. And it's just about the same size as my PowerPoint, which is my EDC multi-tool. And that one has pliers, so this one has a disadvantage in that aspect. But still, it can come in handy and useful depending on your particular need. Thank you for watching.